Thankfully, firearms and weapon attacks in the UK are very rare, but the tragic events around the world remind us that you need to be prepared. The terrorist threat in the UK varies, but sometimes it's severe, which means an attack is highly likely, and however small the risk, it helps to be prepared if you find yourself in a situation. Firearms and weapon attacks are very rare, and having a plan and being conscious of your surroundings when out and about will help you stay safe and could save your life. The National Police Chiefs Council have produced guidelines to follow if you find yourselves in a firearms or a weapons attack. There are 3 key steps in keeping safe during an attack: run, hide, and tell. If there is a safe route, run. Insist others go with you. Don't let them slow you down. Leave your belongings behind. If you can't run, then hide. Find cover from gunfire. Lock the door and barricade yourself in. Move away from the door. Be very quiet and silence your phone. And tell. Dial 999 when you're safe. Give your location. Give the direction of the attacker is moving in. Give as much information as you can. Can you safely stop others from entering the area? All situations are different, and people's ability to run, hide, tell will vary for reasons such as age, fitness, or capacity. When running is not an option, people should make every effort to move away from the area as quickly as they can. The Run, Hide, Tell guidance highlights the importance of people caught up in such a scenario assisting those around them who may need help. Should an attack take place in the workplace, companies also have a duty of care to make provision to facilitate for the evacuation of disabled employees and should have a plan in place.